So this is one of the cheapest faucets on Amazon. These are my thoughts after I installed it. So it's pretty solid. So the installation part is really, really solid. It's nice. Water comes out. It has 2 modes, and then it has this little button where you could stop the water from one side to another. It's pretty smooth, but it's not repairable. So what's nice about it is it comes with all the hoses already attached. So you have all the hoses already attached to the faucet itself, so you don't have to replace the hoses. When you replace the faucet, you replace the hoses, but the faucet is cheaper than just buying the hoses at Home Depot. Also, it comes with a hose with a weight for the actual head, so that one, it's kind of replaceable. I can see it over here. It's kind of like replaceable. Remains to be seen in time. To be very honest with you, this hose costs more money than replacing the entire faucet. So if you are looking for something cheap, this was cheap and good looking. And it's, when it goes bad, you just get another one. So I don't know how long it's going to last. That remains to be seen. You want to check my video, but this is after installation, and I'm happy with it. It runs pretty good for the first day. We'll see how long. But the kitchen is not ready. The faucet definitely works.